Today's question is, can your probation be violated? In other words, can you be sent to jail in a situation where you didn't have a lawyer when you pled guilty and now they're trying to revoke your probation? Well, the Supreme Court's addressed that issue. What they've said is no, and they're usually talking about misdemeanor cases because usually in felonies people have a lawyer. But if you pled guilty and you didn't have a lawyer, they can't put you in jail later on for violation of your probation. Now that's the law. That doesn't mean that that's always what happens. The Supreme Court has said that if you didn't have the benefit of legal counsel at that critical stage when you were deciding whether to plead guilty or not, they can't go back in time and then make you serve a previously suspended sentence. In other words, the judge said 5 days, and if you don't do what you're supposed to, I'm going to make you go to jail. But you didn't have a lawyer when you pled guilty, they're not supposed to go back and put you in jail. Now, the Supreme Court decision on that didn't address everything. One of the things it didn't address was situations where somebody has waived their counsel. And so I suspect that they may look at, well, did you knowingly waive your right to counsel or not? But if you didn't waive your right to counsel and you didn't have a lawyer, you shouldn't be violated in your probation later on if they have a suspended sentence. Some judges in Alabama are, in my view, kind of trying to get around that by saying, well, you didn't do what I said, so I'm going to call it contempt, and I'm going to put you in jail for being in contempt of my order. I don't know that that's kosher. I'd certainly argue that it wasn't if I was defending somebody in these kind of circumstances. At any rate, I hope you're not in this situation, but if you are and you need our help, just give us a call. We're happy to help you. Our first consultation to you is free. If you do need our help, numbers below. And by the way, if you have a legal question and you want us to try to answer that question online, I'm happy to do so. I'm not going to talk about a specific person's case, but I will answer a general legal question. Anyway, my email is below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.